Alright, so on my friend's YouTube I kind of heard that people wanted to hear belch, but that depends of the different things I can do, from just a simple belch, like a real normal one, like just a kiddie one, or like you can take what you do is you take a big inhale it, you close your throat, but you kind of open up. It's kind of hard to explain, but you kind of open up the lower part of your throat while you're inhaling, like. Simple things like that. Doing that is a kind of fun technique. I mean, you can also do it louder, like. Belching like that can simply, it's pretty fun, but I've been doing it since I was 10. Right now I'm 18. 8 years of kind of practicing, not even trying either. The one I just did right now wasn't even trying. I can also try to mimic a belch Chewbacca, like. Simple things like that. But let me ask the cameraman. Cameraman?
Yep.
You see this fine man right here? Come here. Do you have a request that I should do? Should I say something or do anything? What shall I do?
I'm thinking you shall belch the words. Sugar mama there.
Come here, sugar mama. Ooh.
I just burped fuck like very.
Alright, by the way, I'm the camera guy, so.
Yeah. And he's a very damn good camera guy.
Yeah.
Taking all this for you lovely viewers who love to see fucking crazy Americans belch. So I ain't no Scandinavians.
Do the longest belch you could.
They try like as hard as you can to make it loud. They try.
Shit.
I'm gonna do it loud, okay? That one either wasn't even trying. Seriously? That one got stuck, so it kind of buffered
Dude,
a bit.
try to make it not get stuck.
Maybe someone shot themselves by how awesome my belching was. Who knows? But one of the greatest techniques I'm able to do is the belch resuscitator. Alright guys, this is the end of our YouTube video. I had to say goodbye.